This week in AI, you want to do our weekly AI roundup?
Sure. Scientists at the University of British Columbia.
Woo! Let's go!
Are teaching.
Those people live near me.
That's my team. My team just scored.
I mean, that team kicked me off, so.
Scientists at the University of British Columbia are teaching an AI scientist, an AI agent that runs experiments and writes research papers about the results. What? There have so far been a few interesting results. While the AI could create decent hypotheses and test them, it wasn't very good at assessing its own output. It also repeatedly attempted to solve the problems it was given in unexpected ways during one run. It determined that it couldn't complete its task in the time allotted, so instead edited its own code to extend the deadline. This is what developers would do if they could. They edited its own code to extend the deadline from 2 hours to 4. During another run, it altered its code to save a checkpoint for every update step, which eventually took up a terabyte of storage. New topic again. Slack AI can apparently be fooled into leaking data from private channels through prompt injection, which I am not even sort of surprised about, as this type of attack has existed since day one, and is why, we don't have Slack AI, and you probably shouldn't either. New topic. Lindy AI, a company that provides bots to respond to customer messages, had to retrain its bot after the automatic message responder for their own customer support email responded to a client with a video tutorial, which was actually just a link to Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up. This apparently has happened twice. And
this is what happens when you train an AI agent on Reddit.
Yes. When you train AI agents on human behavior, sometimes they're going to do human behavior in ways that you wouldn't want. Discussion question. What's the problem with the future? What's the problem with a future where AI agents are left unsupervised with access to important infrastructure code when they engage in this type of creative problem solving? Well, current versions of these things should not be left unsupervised. And that's just...
Do you foresee a future where we can leave them unsupervised?
Yeah, but not with current tech. We have to solve some pretty big jumps before we get there. There's two extremely major problems with the current systems. One of them is hallucinations. The other one is, I don't remember what it's called, but when you kind of run out of human data to train on, and then you start running into your own data or other AI generative data, or just if there isn't enough quality data, you start generating just more garbage and your results get worse and worse. So that has to be addressed, and the hallucination problem needs to be addressed. But they're still LLMs, so they're still prediction tools. They're not actually computing. In a lot of these cases, you can mix models, you can mix tools, you can give the LLMs access to other tools that can help them, things like that. But someone said, so it's not really AI. Well, yeah, no, it isn't.
No, we did a video on how AI is not AI a little while ago, and it made some AI bros really mad.
Yeah, well,
but other than that,
it was correct. So
yeah. And to be clear, nothing we said in that video was that the current tools aren't really cool.